Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been so long. I miss you all here. Okay, so today we're going to be making meat pie. Wow, guys, this is meat pie with a difference. Okay, it's not your regular meat pie. It's not that kind of meat pie that you buy by the roadside. It's a unique meat pie that if your client tastes this meat pie, god, they will never stop coming back. Guys, you should try this. All right, so all the ingredients will be linked in the description box. Here I'll be cutting or dicing my carrot and my potatoes, my Irish potatoes. Okay, I really do not like too much of the Irish inside the meat pie because of course it is called meat pie and not potatoes pie. That's what I said earlier on, that it is not the regular meat pie that you get by the roadside where you have too many potatoes. All right, guys, so this is me here dicing my carrots into cubes. All right, just dice into cubes, not too big, just tiny cubes. And yeah, that's that, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it, and you were enjoying it already, so please subscribe. So I added pepper, onions, and this is my meat parboiled and poured in my oven and blended, and this is the outcome. You can take yours to the market if you're baking in large quantity. Okay, this order came small, so I just decided to do it at home, blend the meat at home. So here is my oil on fire. This is the same pot that I boiled my meat with. So I'm gonna add the onions and stir fry for some seconds. Okay, just stir fry and fry. All right, so I'm gonna add the pepper now. If you want more pepper, you can add, but your meat pie shouldn't be peppery. Okay, it's not pepper pie. So just stir fry that. Okay, and I'm gonna add my carrots and my potatoes now. Guys, this meat pie, I can't stop singing its praises because the feedback is super, guys. Super. So I just added my meat. I'm going to stir that on. I'm going to stir. Once that is done, okay, I added it with a meat stock because I do not want to waste the stock. I wanted the stock to be incorporated, so I'm adding my seasoning. Please, guys, whatever you do, ensure that you do not add too much salt. You don't want your meat pie sauce to be salty, guys. It will turn anybody off. All right, so I added all-purpose spice. It's all mixed spice. It has garlic, curry, and all. All right, you can also add curry if you don't have the all-purpose spice. Okay, but do not add too much curry, just very little if you want. But if you have the all-purpose spice, great. So I'm adding water now so that the carrots and the potatoes will cook through. I always like my potatoes and carrots to cook properly. Right now the water has dried up and the potatoes and the carrots are well cooked. So this is me adding slurry mixture of water and flour just to keep the meat pie sauce moist. Just to keep it moist. You don't want to have a dry filling. You don't want to have a dry spice. You want the exterior to be, flaky, and the interior to be so moist. So that's the essence of adding the slurry. So it's ready now. Look at that. Just take a look. It's so moist. So you're going to leave it now to cool. Don't fill your dough with hot sauce. Okay, so allow it to cool properly before you use. So this is my flour. I added salt, sugar, and baking powder. So this is my margarine. It is cold. Ensure that your margarine is cold, your eggs cold, your milk cold. If you're using water, cold as well. So I'm just going to try and break and incorporate the flour with the margarine. and I added cold milk and then 1 egg. The egg is also cold. So I'm just going to mix. I ended up not even adding water anymore. Just mix until the dough forms. Don't knead it like you're kneading your donut or your bread. Just finger knead until it just forms a ball enough to knead without breaking. So this is me using kneading it and using a bottle. If you don't have a rolling pin at the moment, you can do that, and you can also improvise. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, all right, you can use a cover of a pot or a round plate. They can just cut through the dough easily. So I got the perfect shape that I wanted, and take a look at the sauce, guys. I feel like licking my screen at the moment. It's so yummy, guys. So don't overfill your dough. If you overfill and you try to close your pie, this is milk and egg, cold milk and egg. I'm just going to use that to seal the meat pie and also use it as my egg wash to enable my pies have that golden brown look. So I have sealed that. I'm using a fork to seal it up, okay, so that it doesn't burst open. Remember, guys, do not overfill your pie, else it will break open when it is in the oven. So just egg wash your pie and put it in the baking tray. Okay, so we'll go over that a second time again so you can see what I have or what I did the first time. In case you didn't see the first time, this is the second time. All right, so don't knead too thick and don't roll too light. Just roll enough to be able to fold and seal properly. So guys, yeah, that's just that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe. Please share my videos to your friends, to your family. If you also have if you're able to try this recipe, you should try this recipe because it is one in town. It is not your regular. If you try it, please post your videos and tag me on Instagram, memes, crunchies. I'm going to leave that on the screen. So please, guys, we have to move this channel. So again, I'm sealing the meat pie with a fork. All right, this is the easiest way to seal, but if you have a meat pie cutter, you can still use your meat pie cutter, but this can also serve you the same purpose. Look at how pretty the pies are looking, guys. Shiny pies, and they're out of the oven. Guys, look at that. We call this Stretch Max meat pie. They are the best, guys. They're the best. It's so flaky, so yummy. Oh god, look at the interior. It's so meaty, freshly baked out of the oven. See, still hot. Super yummy meat pie. Try this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.